Looking for a passive income that will earn you $1,200, which will improve your financial status within a short time? No worries, you don't need to do any hard work. All you need to do is register on this brand new platform, follow the steps, and boom, you get paid $1,200. Stay tuned to find out how. Now, just before I show you how you can earn more than $1,000, let me remind you that if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and so you don't miss out on any future videos to come. Then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. If you want to earn as much as I promised, then you must follow and watch every second of this tutorial before I show you the website. Without wasting time, let's jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. I will be using a site called socialplus.net as an example, but it's very important for me to note that you do not have to use this particular platform, even though it is an awesome site to promote as an affiliate. You can promote anything you want to. You don't have to promote a website in particular. You can go on digistore24.com or clickbank.com to find some digital products to promote. What you're promoting does not make too much of a difference with this strategy, and you will see the reason soon. Anyway, I will be going along with socialplus.net. This site helps boost your rankings on both YouTube and Instagram. You can come on here and buy stuff like YouTube likes, views, comments, subscribers, or Instagram followers, and something worth noting is that the views and subscribers are 100% real, so they're not selling fake stuff whatsoever. In Instagram, for example, they will get you a set number of followers through promotion, meaning that they are real followers. You can read further about this site and other features it offers its customers. But since we want to promote it, they aren't really that relevant for us. And so let's go straight to the point. The first thing you'll do is come over to this site and click on affiliates right up here. The next page will show you why this site is so good to promote as an affiliate. It offers 50% commissions, which is insane. The average commission rate falls literally below 30%, and here's a platform offering nearly double that number. The commissions are awesome, to say the least. But it only gets better from here, since this site helps us, meaning if you know people on YouTube and Instagram, you'll have a huge customer pool. Instagram and YouTube are some of the most popular websites today, and this tool is useful for people using either of them, meaning that you will have no shortage of customers, and that obviously means that you can make a lot more money if you're promoting on other platforms. The best part is that they offer good support and they will pay you on time. Furthermore, as you can see by scrolling down a bit on this page, socialplus.net has been around for some time. They've been helping users on YouTube since 2010 and users on Instagram since 2011. So as it says here, they have a very good understanding of how both works, meaning that this is the go-to platform for people who want to boost their success on either of these platforms. And that means that it's easy for you as an affiliate to refer someone. And thanks to the tool I will show you later on in the video, you'll easily be able to get traffic to your link. Now I want to show you real quick how much money we're talking about with this site, and I'll be using the prices of Instagram followers and YouTube views as examples, since those are the options most people go for. As you can see, as far as Instagram followers are concerned, the most expensive option is this one at $180, meaning that you as an affiliate can get paid up to $90 per single customer. So if 10 people you refer choose this option, then that's $900 made just like that. As far as YouTube views are concerned, you can also see their high retention views, which means they have a real benefit. The most expensive option is this one at $130, so you can make up to $65 per single customer. Socialplus.net offers an awesome affiliate program, and it's a fantastic site to promote to get paid some decent money online. It looks nice, which means it's appealing to customers. It offers many different services, and it's been around for a long time, which also means that people will be more willing to give it a try. To sign up for the affiliate program, just come back over to this page right here, scroll down until you come across this section, and then just click on sign up for free. On the next page, you can see that you don't have to enter much information about yourself at all, just your email and your password to create your brand new account. Now that you have your account on this site, it's time for me to show you where to get traffic, and I have two methods for you. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. The first site that you can use for traffic is YouTube, but we won't be creating YouTube videos here. What you want to do on YouTube is to search for how to grow on YouTube and how to grow on Instagram, since as you know, socialplus.net helps people on both platforms, and you will now be able to find videos that have hundreds of thousands of views. And since both Instagram and YouTube are changing day by day, there will always be videos like this being uploaded from time to time. The next step to take is to open up any one of these videos. Find the new ones with a decent number of views. Here's one I opened up as an example, and here is the thing, each person who commented on this video is a potential customer, and so what you want to do from here is click on sort by and select newest first. Here's what I found. Go to the about section and then contact them via their email address, which you will be able to see by clicking right here. Now, I would recommend you contact people using these methods. The reason is that not everyone will have an email address visible, but what you want to do is contact them via email if it's there. And if it's not available, just reply to their comments, and depending on what videos you opened up, you will say stuff like, here's a good tool for growing on Instagram, or here is a good tool for getting views on YouTube, or this is the best site to grow on Instagram and YouTube, and so on. Just say something along the lines and then paste the affiliate link. Now, obviously, this will take a bit of time and work, but the best thing is that new comments are being posted daily on these videos, and as such, you will easily be able to find potential customers to reach out to. And if you just have 5 people a day to purchase views, followers, or whatever on socialplus.net, you can make a very decent amount of money. However, if you have some money to spare and you don't want to spend so much time trying to find people who want to use socialplus.net, then I highly recommend you give this tool right here a try at wizardsoft.com. This is paid software, but it's only a one-time payment. It costs under $20. It's more than worth the cost since it will allow you to earn a lot of money by doing nothing. As you can see through the use of campaigns, this will get you traffic and sales in 60 seconds. It's an all-in-one traffic solution that works in every niche, and this is why I said in the beginning that it doesn't matter what you're promoting at all. It's beginner-friendly and no skills or experience is required, meaning that anyone can get paid using this. And arguably, the best part of this is that it offers step-by-step instructions, so you know exactly what to do to get traffic to your link. If you want to give this a try, and I do recommend you do, simply use YouTube to get traffic and you will be able to make a very good amount of money. Do you want to learn how you can make money easy by copying and pasting on Amazon? Click here!